Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about how to prepare for the week without feeling overwhelmed in 5 steps. Sundays at Soft Lab aren't for catching up, they are for getting ahead of the noise. Here are 5 ways to curate a peaceful week. Number 1, the visual inventory. Walk through your space and remove 3 things that feel like clutter to your eyes. Visual quietness is the foundation of mental clarity. Number 2, the priority trio. Instead of a long to-do list, choose only 3 non-negotiable wins for tomorrow. When everything is a priority, nothing is. Number 3, the Tech Detox. Set a sleep timer on your social apps for the next 24 hours. Give your brain a chance to generate its own thoughts again. Number 4, the wardrobe edit. Prepare your outfit tonight to save your decision energy for tomorrow morning. Your future self will thank you for the extra 5 minutes of peace. Number 5, the scent signal. Light a fresh citrus candle to signal to your brain that the reset is complete. We use scent to transition from rest mode into readiness. Your peaceful week starts now. Thanks for watching. Which of these 5 steps are you trying first? Let's chat in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.